Yeah. You gonna sit on it? Let me see. What is that? Let me see.
Here you go.
What is that thing? What is it, Kyra? What's it do? Let her try it. Let her try. You guys take turns. Let me see. Oh. It's not work. Oh. Oh my goodness. You are so silly. What do they have, Brian? What do they have? What do they got in there? You gonna let Travis try it? Can Travis try? Okay, let Travis do it. Oh, what are you stealing? Brian? What you stealing, buddy?
I just got this.
Oh? For lunch? You got some pickled okra?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
We can do it.
Oh, we gotta have some macaroni and cheese in a little bit. You gonna let Travis play with it? What do you got there? It's a whoopee cushion. Let Travis sit on it. Oh, Travis, what are you doing? You are too much. Oh, thank you. Whoop, thank you, baby.
I'm thirsty.
You thirsty? Do you like some juice?
Yes, I got a purple cup.
Okie dokie. Hey, Travis, what's going on there? What you got, buddy? Are you sleeping on it? Look what you got, Kyra. Oh! 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.